Hey, do you think you can't speak the language of English? The truth is this: you can speak the language of English. I am Ruben Muthaya, the Director of Dignity Education Center in Mona, Kerala. Speaking English confidently is a very important goal for all of us, but often we hesitate because we are afraid of making mistakes or embarrassing ourselves in front of others. For example, speaking English in front of family members, friends, relatives, co-workers, interviewers, and business owners. In fact, sometimes mistakes are unavoidable. But it's just like any other skill. You can improve your spoken skill if you practice regularly. Number 1, listening. Listening provides opportunities to understand pronunciation, and it allows to pick up new words and new phrases. Number 2, imitation. It's a high time for some imitation. Look at babies and children. How do they learn a new language much quicker than us? Because they copy everything that we say. Number 3, reading. Remember that if your goal is improving speaking skill, it's a good idea to read loud. This will not only help you practice unfamiliar words, but also help your pronunciation and fluency. Number 4, reflection. Reflection is nothing but asking questions to think about what you learned and how you learned. What are some key points that you learned from what you read and what you heard? Thank you so much for watching our videos. If you find this is interesting to you, and do you want many more great videos in order to improve the language of English, please